Morning viewers. My table saw is going to get an upgrade today, my homemade table saw, so I've just gone down and bought a new saw, just a cheap one from Bunnings, and yeah, we'll go and swap out the old one because it's too noisy, as you can probably see in other videos, and hopefully this will be a bit better. So we'll go outside and swap that out now. This is the old one, the old Black & Decker. I've had it for a while, but I think the bearings are knackered in it. So I've detached it already, and it just sits in here through that slot there and lines up with my square marks. So we'll go and have a look at the other saw and see if that'll fit in there, or we'll make it fit. 50 bucks special. Hopefully should be a bit quieter. And that's it. That'll do the trick. XU1. Comes with a blade. Better than the old one. That used to get stuck on the old Black & Decker. That's nice. Sort of thumb. It's going to be in that position anyway. Lock that down. And it'll probably just stay straight. See how that works. Zero. Just over, righto. Tighten that up. Alright, now what I need to do is put some holes in here, so I can attach it to my table. So we'll do that. Sharpened all my drill bits the other day. Bought a drill bit sharpener from Bunnings, 50 bucks, 45 bucks. We'll see how it works. See how good it is. It doesn't all to the right angle. Got that in there. Quite good. Worked well. Through there, there's some dags on the underneath, so get rid of those dags. And we're good. Sit that there for a second. Stay. Lovely. It's better. Just so I can get the saw blade down, so it's not touching the table. Oh, looks like we've got to cut out some more out of the slot, which we can do. It's a bit tight there. The other one didn't go down as far, or up through the table as far, so this goes a bit further, which is good. Probably get 30mm out of it, 30mm cut. So the blade is touching here I'll just take a bit more out of there with a jigsaw, then we'll line it up. That should do the trick. Let's see if it fits in there. Alright, I've got to make it longer as well. Okay. Well, we'll do that. Okay. Clean up a bit here. Very floppy, that thing, but I won't be using it up like that, so all that. Lots of movement up there, but when it's down, it should be right. It's not too bad. Alright. The other thing I've got to do is put the cable tie on the trigger. I'll switch it on at the wall. Oh, all fun. Alright, that's good. Oh, fucking thing. Jesus. Test run. That's beautiful. Clean up and we'll flip her over. This is just a safety precaution. What I'm doing now, so that if it does want to drop down, when it's up the other way, this little bit of speed brace will stop it. So just chuck a couple of screws in here. I don't want it pulling down on it really though, just to hold it in place. So that'll go in there like so. Yeah, so that's good. There we go. I'm back here. One will tension it a little bit, not too much. That'll do, it'll stop it moving. And it's not pulling down on it, which would put it out of square, so that's good. Ready? And the air hole will work for this one too, which is good. Flip her over. There, fucking the lead up. And that there is it. We'll give her a little test run here, see what happens. that there is no good because the blade is closer here to there, and it's wider there, so it's pushing on the blade as it goes through, which is no good. So double checking measures here to the tooth. 78. Yeah, right, far out. So it's fucking, it's 2 mil, which is no good. So either move the whole saw over at the back or adjust my fence by 2 mil. I'm going to have to move the saw over. Okay, we're back. I've done an adjustment. It was about a millimetre and a half, but it was enough to have the timber pushing into the back of that blade when I went through. So we'll do another little test run that through. I've set it to 60 mil, and then we'll measure that and see if it's pushing against the blade. Hopefully it's not. Here goes. Well, that actually felt better already. Is it going to work? Here we are. Uh-oh. It went through a lot better. It was actually clear of the back of the blade, so let's check this out here. I'll get you down in a sec. It actually measures 60 mils. That's quite good. Let's have a look here. I don't know whether it's going to focus on that or not. 60 and 60. So I think that's going to be alright. I think the trick with those is even if it's a millimetre further out at the back of the blade, just 1 mil or half a mil, lets the go, because the front of the blade is the one that does the cutting. Anywho, now I can rip down that bit of timber I wanted to rip down. Pretty cool. Camera got a bit dusty. Got to clean that off. But that's our 80 mil there. That was a nice clean cut too. Yeah, that's yummy. Beautiful. That's all I want to do. I'll wait for that. A little bit of a rebate there on my little box I'm going to make. Rebate the whole lot first, then I'll cut her up. Rebate's already there then. In there, see if you can see it. There it is, you can see it there. Rebate, rabbit, or whatever they call it. This is my little wood holder I built. Just for all my offcuts and that. Built it out of an old door and some offcuts of 9035. Came up good. Now I can keep all my timber nice and flat. Some nice stuff there. Mainly pine and ply, but there's a nice bit of red gum down there. And some hardwood in here up the top there. It's all pretty good. Got it well set up now. I've moved my old bench over to here. So I can still use that for maybe nailing things together or painting or stuff. And then I've got my main workbench there. Cool as. All the gear, no idea. Alright, that's the box put together. I haven't nailed it, I'll just put glue on there. I think that'd be alright. And just a clamp, got this clamp. One of my grandpa's old clamps. Does all different sizes and things and bits and pieces. That should be right in a couple of hours. Take that off, then we'll put the base in. And put a couple of dividers in here. Alright, here you can see, I'll just flip this box over. You can see how the rebate's going to work. If I can do that, there we go. See the rebate down the side there. And that's where the base will slot in there, it's quite nice. Little miter joins. I'll just cut in some dividers. They'll go in there like that, but I've rounded it over on one side. And a nice little box for me receipts. This is upside down, by the way, so it'll actually go that way. It'll fit in there beautifully. So I've just put the, just trimmed up the base, so that'll go in here like this. I'll just go over a light sand, glue that down. That'll be beautiful. Look at that. One side's a bit crappy, so I might put that to the inside, like that, so the base looks nice in. I'll glue and clamp that on and we're rocking and rolling. We'll put the dividers in. It's fine. Alright, this looks a bit over the top, but these clamps are just holding down the base. A little bit of timber straight over the top, so it grabs all of it. Clamp that. I've had to lift it up off the bench so I can get the clamps underneath. And a little cleat there, hold that down. So that's pretty cool. Action! Action! Take the clamps off. Everything should be dry now. Clamps everywhere. Does it want to come off? Yes. That's under there. That's all that. Put that over there. Flip it around that one. Undo that. That's come up pretty damn good. Like that. Okay. There's those other bits here we are. They'll go in there like that. I might do like that. Like so, eventually. Beautiful. I'm going to finish it here, glue it in, and it's going to look like that. I hope you like it. MDF sucks up the glue a fair bit. Alright, chuck that in there. Grab the other one. Put that in here. Like so. I saw Justin on the TV.
Oh, did you? For the races?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
On the TV.
How long was he on for?
Oh, I just on one of the clips, one of the promo clips, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I said to Dad, I know that bloke. That's it. All done.
Cool story, bro.
Thank you. It's a good story. Just like Nolly's woodworking.